Guys, it's Salon Manager Liz again, talking to you today about another 2017 lotion that we carry here at Zoomtan. This is Fascinate by Designer Skin. This is a 27 times bronzing formula and it has a dark diamond complex in it, which means that it has black walnut, caramel, wild indigo in it to give you a beautiful, stunning bronze color. This also has an everlasting color elixir. So while you're in the tanning bed, it's going to tan you with that beautiful 27 times bronzing formula. But when you get out of the tanning bed, you're also going to continue to tan throughout the day, and then it's going to last up to 7 days. This also is a silicone formula, so it's really lightweight on your skin and it's blurring in those fine lines to make you look photo finished. And I love the smell of this lotion probably more than any of the others. It's a pineapple coconut with hints of lime and jasmine in it. It smells so fresh and clean on your skin, and you can go all day and no one will ever know that you actually tanned that day except for your beautiful bronze glow.
What's up, everybody? It's Liz, but it's... What up?
So this is another 2018 Designer Skin product. This one is a 2017.
Hi guys, it's Salon Manager Liz again, and I'm talking to you today. Today is a wonderful day. So.
Hey! I forgot what I was going to say.
Hello. Yeah. I'm just going to take the escalator down because I'm embarrassing myself. Just kidding, do you like my lotion display?